Today, I'm gonna show you how to make shorts that go viral every time. Imagine getting millions of views on every short you post. 3 million, 5 million, even 9 million views. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But after about a year of trial and error, I finally cracked the code. I figured out the exact blueprint for consistently creating viral shorts. And the best part? I'm gonna share that blueprint with you today. This isn't your basic use hashtags and find a niche kind of advice. No, we're diving much deeper than that. You're about to learn the exact formula that top creators use to blow up the shorts. So grab a notebook, focus up, and let's get started. The YouTube algorithm. Before we can break the algorithm, we need to understand it. First of all, let me tell you, the YouTube algorithm is not random. It's not about luck. The algorithm simply shows the best, most engaging content to the largest audience. That's it. So if you create engaging shorts that hold people's attention, going viral isn't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. I know this because I've been there. Let's take a look at my early days. When I started making shorts, I had no clue what I was doing. Most of my videos wouldn't even hit 100 views. But I kept improving. I tweaked my content little by little until things finally started clicking. After about 4 months, I hit my 10,000 subscribers and even made an extra $15,000, all because I learned how to brand my content. Check out my description to learn more. But here's the crazy part. On my next channel, I hit the same milestone, 10,000 subscribers in just 3 weeks. Why? Because I already learned how to make better content. The algorithm always rewards good content, so if you follow what I'm about to teach you, you'll start to see results too. Let's get one thing straight. None of this will work if you don't pick the right topic. A great topic is the foundation of every viral short. Without it, you'll struggle to get views no matter how good your editing or structure is. Start by thinking about your audience. Who are they? What do they want to see? What's already working in your niche? Take some time to research the top creators in your space. Look at their most popular shorts and figure out what kinds of topics are getting them views. Here's an example. I came across this creator whose channel is mostly aimed at school kids. When he sticks to topics that appeal to his core audience, his views skyrocket. But when he strays away from that and tries something different, his views plummet. The takeaway? Always keep your audience in mind. Now, even with a great topic, your short can still flop if you make one major mistake, paying off your topic too quickly. Let me show you what I mean. I watched a short where the creator introduced an interesting topic, Mr. Beast's key to success. That's a solid idea, right? But here's the problem. Within the first 5 seconds, the creator revealed the secret. Boom! Topic paid off. The audience got what they came for almost immediately, so there was no reason for them to stick around. They scrolled away. The lesson here is to build anticipation. Don't give away the payoff too soon. Keep your viewers hooked by saving the big reveal for the end. Editing and structure are the backbone of any viral short. Editing includes things like pacing, captions, and music. Structure is about how you tell the story, your hook, progression, and payoff. I use a system called HPC to nail this every time. H is for hook. The first 5 seconds of your short are the most important. Your hook needs to grab attention and leave viewers wanting more. Here's an example of a great hook. I want to be the first person to have a snowball fight in the desert. Simple, right? But it makes you ask questions. How is he gonna pull this off? Where will he find snow? You're curious, so you keep watching. P is for progression. Next comes progression. This is where you deliver on the expectations you set in the hook. In the snowball fight example, the creator showed the steps he took to get snow, traveling to the mountains, gathering snow, and bringing it back to the desert. He didn't skip any steps or take shortcuts. If he had just pulled a cooler full of ice and said, "Here's the snow," the audience would have been disappointed. Always make sure your content matches the promise of your hook. C is for climax. Finally, we have the climax, the moment where the audience gets where they came for. In this case, it's the snowball fight in the desert. This is the payoff, and it needs to be satisfying. By combining these 3 elements, hook, progression, and climax, you can create shorts that keep viewers engaged from start to finish. Now that you know how to make a good short, let's talk about posting. Because even the best content won't perform well if you mess this up. First, post at the right time. Check your YouTube analytics to see when your audience is most active. For me, mornings work best, but your audience might be different. Next, figure out your ideal posting frequency. I've tested everything from twice a week to 4 times a day. Posting 4 times a day was too much. The quality of my content dropped. Twice a week was fine, but it felt unproductive. I felt that posting once a day was the sweet spot. It gave me enough time to create high-quality shorts without losing momentum. The key is consistency. Stick to a schedule and don't go too long without posting, or you'll lose traction. There you have it, the exact blueprint for creating viral shorts. If you follow these steps, choose the right topic, use the HPC system, and post strategically, you'll start seeing results in no time. And if you want to take things even further and learn advanced retention strategies, click the link in the description. Now, go make some viral shorts!